Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create personalized learning experiences with Perplexity AI. This powerful tool can help tailor educational content to individual needs, making learning more effective and engaging. So let's dive in. First of all, head over to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply following these steps. The first one is to simply select the settings icon which is on the bottom left corner. Now go to the top right section and select API. Now select Docs and after that select this Get Started button. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will give you access to Perplexity AI's features for personalizing learning experiences. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your educational platform or application by configuring it to handle user data and provide personalized learning content. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing data flow. Now collect user data such as learning preferences, progress, and performance. Use this data to understand each learner's unique needs and goals. Use the Perplexity AI API to analyze user data and generate personalized learning content, recommendations, and feedback. Implement the necessary code to deliver tailored learning experiences based on this analysis. Now test the personalized learning experiences with real users to ensure they are effective and engaging. Gather feedback to make improvements as needed. Now monitor the performance of your personalized learning system and adjust the AI models to better meet individual learning needs. Now you can even deploy your personalized learning solutions on your educational platform, integrating them with other tools and ensuring they provide valuable and customized learning experiences. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI to create personalized learning experiences that enhance education and support each learner's unique journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.